There are 5 stick vacs here, but they're actually the same model. You are looking at currently the world's most powerful vacuum, cordless stick vacuum. This is capable of generating up to 400 watts of suction power. It is insanely powerful and yet very lightweight. I'll hand some of you a model so that you can see how lightweight it is. If you'd like to hand it around, feel free, thank you so much. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit more about it as well. So one of the, apart from it being the most powerful cordless stick vacuum on the market right now, what a mouthful. Thank you, yes, you've also, no, it's your vacuum now, this is your home. It does also utilize AI cleaning mode. It does also utilize AI cleaning mode. The AI cleaning mode is by far the most intelligent mode in the market. Truly, it is able to identify 5 different floor types, hard floors, 2 different types of carpet, high pile, short pile carpet. What else? Mats, like at gyms or kids' playrooms, corners, and when you lift up the vacuum as well. I'll show you what that looks like. So on a hard carpet, it wants to increase the suction, make sure it gets those little bits stuck in the crevices. When I lift it up, as if I'm going to another room, it's going to drop the suction for me, and that's going to help save on battery use. When you vacuum at home, how many of you just blasted to jet mode? Be honest, thank you, V. Oh, as if. Okay, sorry, I forgot the tech guys know what's going on. They know how to use their vacuums, all right? So I still blast mine on jet mode. That's just going to drain the battery. You've got like 10 minutes then to clean your entire home. So we're looking at battery efficiency, also maneuverability. You ever done jet mode or the most powerful suction on a shaggy rug? Very hard to maneuver, so it's going to assist with that as well. That's AI mode. The last thing I want to call out is this clean station here. We were the first to come out with a fully integrated all-in-one clean station. This is going to empty all of that dust and dirt that's in the canister into a bag. So you're not getting it on yourselves when you're emptying it over a dustbin, you're not breathing that in. It's a hygienic solution. This bag is going to last you 3 to 6 months, I'm sure of it. We've also upgraded the filtration to include HEPA filtration in the vacuum itself, as well as the clean station. So it is perfect for people that suffer from asthma and allergies. Okay, I think we've covered everything from vacuum. I'll take these back from you. Thank you for holding it in place. I appreciate that. Okay, sorry, I only have 2 hands.
So thanks, Jackie. My favourite feature, though, is the ability to listen to Spotify while you're doing the cleaning. Yep. But what happens when your phone rings?
Oh, you know what? Yeah, when your phone rings, currently in my household, my husband ignores the call. With this new vacuum though, he'll be able to get notified on the vacuum that I'm calling. There's no escaping me. Yeah, that's my favorite feature as well. So you will get notifications when you get a call or a text come through. It just comes up as like a little icon. The vacuum will also drop in suction so that you're able to hear your phone as well.